Right, we have another problems. So post success. So consider the events table which contains the information about your phases of writing a new social media post. The action column can have values post enter, post submit, and or post cancel, which is I believe is the state of the post for when a user start to write post enter, end up canceling their post or post it, right? Write a query to get the post success rate for each day in the month of January 2020. You can assume that a single user may only make one post per day. So we have like ID column, user ID and created an action and URL and the platform, right? And we have the output, it's like the daytime and the post success rate. So yeah. So the question is the post success rate is defined as the post submit, right? As the post submit divided by the total post, right? Right? Or divided by the total post enter, right? Yeah. So that's the first thing. Yeah. A single user may only make one post per day. Yes. So the idea was So the idea was like yeah. So basically, it was group by it was the aggregation at the day level, right? We count the number of the posts. So presumingly like the ID here is the post ID, right? Yeah, that's the assumption. And and we didn't and I assume like we take into account all of the platform, right? So so basically the idea was for every day we're trying to count the number of the post submit, right? And we divide it by the post enter, right? So the post enter is always greater than the post submit, right? So the event table, so the ID here it should be a post ID. So in this situation we can from event tables, right? So the first thing to do is to group by like the days of the created ad, right? So it should be like as DT, right? Yeah, so the output is something, the output as DT, right? So that's our day. Yes, and so it will be a conditional count, right? So a conditional count will be the count of the distinct of case when the event name equal to post submit. So that's the submit rate. And of course, assumingly, like every day we should have the post enter, right? Otherwise, it should be otherwise we are having the problem of zero division. Post submit, and now we have like the post enter, right? So so of course the assumption here. So first of all is the definition. And so this one is the division between two integers. So if we want to make it flow, we should do like this. And success rate. So there's no specific requirement for your in percentage or in the float. So yes, and also like we want to have a where here to filter out, right? To filter out like day of the created right? At it's between, right? Day of like 2020 day, right? 2020. Yes, so that's the idea. As post success rate. Yeah, so okay, yeah, so I need to minimize the case when then ID n, right? So that's the post ID. Then ID also n, right? That's the post ID. As post success rate, right? Post success rate, yeah. Yeah. What is this? A no event name in the field list. Case, how is in case when even name? Action. Yeah, so it's so it should be an action. Post enter. But why is it even name here? I don't understand, right? It should be an action. So it should be an action here, right? Yeah, I forgot the group by. Yes. Yeah, don't forget the group by.